Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the network and apps. Make sure your iPhone and the DLNA server device share the same Wi-Fi. Without that, discovery fails. Once done, install a reliable DLNA/UPnP client app like VLC or 8Player from the App Store. Then enable the DLNA server on the source device, PC, NAS, or Media Server app, so the phone can see its libraries. This is the only practical route. Use a client app on iPhone Next, open the DLNA client and let it scan. It will list any active servers on your subnet. Once the server appears, browse its shared folders, videos, music, photos, because the client displays the server's library structure. Tap a file to play. The app streams directly from the server to your iPhone. Make sure to allow local network access if prompted. If you want to cast to another renderer, pick the app's option to stream to a network device and choose the target renderer. Finalize by checking playback settings. If video buffers, enable server transcoding or lower bitrate so the iPhone app can keep up. Once playing, you can control resume, subtitles, and audio tracks from the client. Make sure the server's firewall allows DLNA/UPnP ports, otherwise discovery fails. If nothing appears, restart the router, toggle the server app, and relaunch the iPhone client. That usually fixes discovery issues. This approach, server plus client app, is the reliable way to use DLNA on iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.